Have you ever wondered how computers can analyze images, recognize faces, or even identify objects? If you're interested in artificial intelligence and computer vision and want to learn how to implement these with Python, I have an amazing offer for you. A complete, project-based course that teaches you how to implement computer vision with Python, completely free. Do you want to know how to get this course without paying anything? Then stay with me until the end of this video. The course I'm about to introduce is called Computer Vision with Python, and it's one of the best courses for learning computer vision with Python. Key topics you'll learn: how to process images and videos, face and object detection with OpenCV, working with AI algorithms in computer vision. The original price of this course is around €20, but right now, you can get it for free. The course is about 2 hours long, and once you enroll, you'll have full access to it. It has a high rating and has been taken by thousands of students. All you need to do is open your browser and search for the website couponcenter5.com. Make sure you enter the website address correctly. Coupon Center 5 is a platform that provides various courses across different categories for free. As you can see, there are multiple categories available here. Our course is in the development section. Click on the course Computer Vision with Python. On the course page, scroll down and then click the Go to the Course button. Now you can access this course for free and start learning. But keep in mind that this discount is time limited, so act fast to avoid missing out on this great opportunity. If you're interested in this field or other topics, don't miss out on this website. This platform updates daily discount coupons for various courses. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments.